Here's how to use a VPN on any Android phone. Now, first just hop into your settings. I'll show you one option where you can manually set up a VPN if you didn't want to download any third-party apps. But I'll show you another option that's a bit easier just by downloading an app that helps you out. Now, from here, we're going to tap on Connections and then scroll to the bottom to More Connections. Now, within here, it's a bit buried for whatever reason. You'll be able to see VPN. If you don't see it in there, you can always just search within settings to be able to find where that VPN settings are. From here, let's tap on VPN, and you can see I don't have any set up currently. So I'm going to tap on the plus at the top right, and I can manually create a VPN. You can see I can enter in a name, a type, server address, IP, SEC, identifier, etc. However, this is a bit advanced for most people, and probably most people don't know this information right off the bat and don't necessarily have this in mind when they're connecting to a VPN. So there is an easier option to be able to do this without necessarily needing to know that technical information. Now, next, let's just hop into the Google Play Store, and we're going to search for VPN. You'll be able to see when you search for it, tons of apps pop up. There are hundreds and thousands of VPN apps, some of them great reviews, tons of reviews. The one that I personally like the best, it doesn't require you to sign up with any email address or create an account. It's completely free, and it allows you to connect within the United States or any other country as well. So I would recommend this VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Just download it and I'll show you exactly how it works and how to connect. You can see when it's done installing, I'm going to hit open here, and you'll be able to see from here, let's just hit accept and continue. It does say, hey, do you want to unlock some VIP potential opportunities or features? But if you scroll down, you can just hit this proceed with ads. And then you don't have to pay for anything. It'll show you an ad every once in a while when you connect or disconnect, but otherwise it's free. Now on here, let's just hit no. And at the very top, we'll tap on location. You'll be able to see it automatically chooses the fast location depending on where you physically are. But maybe you wanted a VPN in another country. So instead of the United States, I can scroll down to Germany or Switzerland or Austria or France, etc. I have tons of options. Let's say in this case, London. I can tap on it and then just hit OK. Just like that, I'm connected to a VPN in London. So all of the web traffic routes from my Android phone in the United States to London and then to the website or app or whatever. Now, if you wanted to ever disconnect, all you need to do is open up the app, and here you can just tap on that little power button and it says you are disconnected. Just like that, you're back using your Android phone without a VPN.